Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads, and I'm going to walk you through a great, phenomenal way to really grow your social media audience this week using the video scripts in Listings to Leads. So as we've got some video scripts for you to use for listings, whether they're yours or borrowed at every single status. So every week you should be doing the entire marketing plan to include a short form video for your for sale listings, again, yours or borrowed, for your pending and sold listings, again, yours or borrowed. We've got the 80 plus PDF guide that you should be doing a video script for every single week. But the real growth hack happens when you do all of that, plus what we call our days of / local review script. So I'm going to walk you through this today and literally how to use this to start getting hundreds of new followers every single week. And depending on where you're at in your social media journey, you might be able to double the number of followers you have in the next 7 days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through this strategy. So it depends on the fact that pretty much every single day of the year, there's something going on. Like, for example, today, April 5th is National Caramel Day. Tomorrow, April 6th is National Cabanera Day. And so by leveraging these days with local businesses in your area or local places in your area, we can really start ratcheting up the number of followers that we are getting. So here's what you're going to do. I'm going to go through just a couple for this coming week. All of these are in Listing to Leads. I'm going to show you where they're at exactly. But what you're going to do is you're going to get the video script, go to the location and record the video there. And I'm going to walk you through a little bit more here in a few other slides about how to tag the business owner and start getting your video shared by them and start leveraging their audiences for your own social media growth. So again, Friday, April 5th is National Caramel Day. So think about recording this video at a local candy store, at a place that sells candy. You may have a really nice one of those kind of old time candy stores in your area, or you may have something else. Maybe there's a place that's got a great dessert with caramel in it that you could record this at. Again, Saturday, April 6th is National Cabanera Day. So think about all the local Italian restaurants, cafes in your area, perhaps. Sunday, April 7th is National Beer Day. I'm sure all of us have a great pub or a great bar or local microbrewery in our area. That would be an absolutely fabulous place to go to. Again, using the script that we've got pre-written for you, at least as your basis, if not in its entirety, to really start growing your social media audience and your engagement as well. You see here, Monday, April 8th is National Zoo Lovers Day. So record that at a zoo or maybe an animal shelter could be appropriate as well. And then so every single day of the week, pretty much, we've got one of these local area / review scripts that you can use. Now, I'm going to show you where that is in your Listings to Leads account in a minute, but here's how I want you to be thinking about this. So for Saturday, April 6th, National Cabanera Day, we know that if we record that video at an Italian restaurant, that is going to just make the video that much better, but it's also going to allow us to leverage their audience. So what I want you to do is, for example, in this case, for National Cabanera Day, look up the Italian restaurants in your area on Instagram or whatever your favorite social media platform is, and think about doing the video at a place that's got a great audience, because we want to be able to leverage that for our own social media growth. So you can see here, I got 2 screenshots. There's the one on the right, looks like it's Visconti, and they've got 1,500 followers. That seems pretty good, especially compared to the one right next to it at 117. The one on the right, Visconti, seems to have a lot of really fun, great postings. I looked at some of the posts. They got some really great engagement going on there. And so I want you to do this in your area. And so the first thing is to find your local options based on the day's content. Next, evaluate for their follower numbers, but also their engagement. Record at the location. Now, keep in mind, you can do a couple. National Cabanera Day, that might be fun. If I've got 2 or 3 great Italian restaurants, maybe I've got like the old standby, that's just the classic in my area. And then I've got another up and coming Italian restaurant, or I've got my favorite Italian restaurant. So conceivably, you could do 3 of these videos. There's nothing stopping you from doing more than one. Just keep that in mind. And then after you record the video, when you go to publish it, tag the business. And if you can, depending on the business in your area, tag the business owner as well. This is going to get you so much more visibility. Plus, if they share it on their social media, man, imagine the extra, right? The extra number of followers, the extra likes that you're going to get from your content now being shared because you just did a little bit of research on the front end, right? You got a great script, you knew what day it was, you got a local business that is relevant to that particular day, right? Again, National Cabanera Day, Italian restaurant. You went, did a little research, find out a great business to record the video at, go to the business, record the video, tag the business owner. Hey, if you can, go ahead and meet the people and let them know that you actually did the video, kind of promoting their business and the fact that today is something extra special relative to them. So if you got all that's absolutely awesome. If not, let us know in the comments. Couple of really quick pro tips for you if you're going to go do the videos. Definitely use the pre-written scripts that you have in your Listings to Leads account. Now keep in mind, you can record these videos whenever you want. So you don't have to wait for that particular day, but you do want to publish them on the appropriate day because it brings a lot of fun, a lot of interest in your local audience with these videos that pertain to specific days, but also pull in local places to make it that much more interesting. Record videos every single day without overthinking it. Don't overthink this because doing them daily is actually more important than doing them perfectly. Because here's the thing, you are going to get better as you do them. So don't stress about the fact that they're not perfect in the beginning. That's not a problem. And keep in mind, and this is so true for all of you, your star power, it's in your attitude, it's in your content, it's in your confidence. It is not in your looks. That goes for all of you. For all of you, it's in your attitude, your content, and your confidence. It is not in your looks. And you're only going to get comfortable by actually doing them. So if this is super uncomfortable for you and your growth on social media is not happening, you're not getting the value, you're not getting the benefit of social media, this is exactly why. So a couple other things real quickly, and I hope you can tell with the way I talk here, cameras suck energy, right? They really suck a lot of energy. So I want you to be a little bit more gregarious, a little bit more outgoing in your videos. Don't be ridiculous. Don't be saccharinely sweet or anything, but do bring just a little bit more energy to your videos. Again, look at how I'm talking. I'm not talking as if we're having a typical conversation. I'm talking just a little bit with a little bit more energy, a little bit more passion in my voice. And do keep in mind, the more fun you have doing the video, the more fun you have in the video to a point, the more fun, the more enjoyable it's going to be for your audience to actually watch the video. So if you come into a video with very low energy, very low excitement, that's going to carry forward into the video and your audience is not going to enjoy watching them. So do bring a little bit of energy to your videos. And as I mentioned above, I think, even if you don't record the videos, or even if you don't publish the videos, I want you to record all of them. Record them every single day. At least get the discipline to start doing them every single day because you're going to have to get to that point at some point anyways. So even if you're not comfortable publishing them yet, get comfortable doing them. Look at the days of the week, like I mentioned. Look at the script for your listing videos. Look at the scripts for the PDF guides, but also look at these scripts. Start doing a little bit of research on the local businesses that pertain to that particular day. Go out, record the video, right? Get used to how it works as far as tagging and everything. But if you're not comfortable publishing yet, at least record the videos because within a few weeks, you're going to be comfortable and you can start publishing and you will start getting the benefits from doing all of this with Listings to Leads. So here are the 4 things you have to do. Log into Listings to Leads, scroll down, which I'm going to show you next, to the short form video script section. Download and print the checklist, which is what you're looking at here, and I'll show that to you in a second. And then refer to the training as needed. And of course, record, publish, and grow. You can't grow if you don't publish. You can't publish if you don't record. So at least start recording now. And then again, we can start publishing maybe in about a week or 2. And then from that, we can start growing. So with that said, let's go ahead and real quickly take a look at listingstoleads.com. Go ahead, start your free trial. All of the stuff that I'm going to show you and that we walked through already, you have access to with the free trial. If you're a client, go ahead and log into your account You're going to land on the dashboard, scroll down all the way to, and it's just a few seconds, short form video scripts right there. Click Playbook 5 to download the playbook. I've already got that right here. And then you're going to see, I'm going to do the short form video script for my active listing, which I referred to earlier. I'm going to do one for a pending listing. I'm going to do one for a PDF guide. And then the social, this is the one I'm just talking about here, the local area review combined with the day of, so that we can get some great videos out there in our local audience. And then you'll see at our training right here below, we've got even more scripts that you can use for other local area reviews, so that you can even leverage the audiences of other local places even greater. Because literally, if you start doing this, you can double your social media audience very easily. All right. Super, super easy. Plus, you're going to have a lot more fun, and you're going to start getting some really great business from social media. So if you have any questions on any of this, let us know, and we'll talk to you soon.